often, yung client mo, sometimes they don't know what's good for them. How to change the culture of being subservient to the client. Ang hirap alisin yan sa Filipino culture kasi meron tayong tinatawag na power distance index, no? And often we see the client not as equals, we see them as superior, no? So yun yung unang kailangan mabago eh. Kailangan magkaroon ng intervention sa kumpanya. Ano bang klase ng culture ang gusto natin mangyari where we're able to deal with clients as clients, no, at not as superiors. Okay? Kasi minsan clients yung the customer is always right, it's already debunked, no, hindi yun totoo. But they're always your client, no. And often yung client mo sometimes they don't know what's good for them. So kailangan mong baguhin yung mindset ng buong kumpanya from top management hanggang sa baba, and then train people how to communicate professionally and assertively. So ano siya, no? Malaking trabaho siya, but I think it's worth it so that hindi kayo nakokompromiso. Kasi minsan kapag subservient yung mga front liners natin, we end up we end up over promising sa customer, tapos nag-apologize tayo kasi hindi natin ma-deliver yung naipangako natin.